Hello everyone, my name is Michail and I will present a novel learning algorithm for expressive human-robot interaction. Gestures in humanoids are usually hard-coded and thus lack variability. Our objective is to enable the generation of unique, adaptable and human-like gestures for humanoids. To this end, we use human demonstrations and the probabilistic movement primitives framework as a baseline. Given a dataset of various waving patterns, the question that arises is how to encode and reproduce their variability. We address this issue by learning the movements in the frequency domain. The steps of our method are as follows. We approximate each signal y with k harmonics. In other words, we learn k phasors, denoted w, of amplitude r and phase theta. We then calculate the logarithm of the phasors to bound the amplitude in 0. This permits us to modulate intuitively the movement. Now we can fit a joint normal distribution over the real and imaginary parts and use Gaussian conditioning to modulate efficiently rhythmic movements in the frequency domain. Finally, we generate unique gestures by sampling the distribution. Here we demonstrate the frequency modulation capacity of the model. We condition first on middle elbow frequency and then on high wrist frequency. In the first case, the model is able to infer that the movement of the wrist should be similar with the elbow, and in the second case, that the movement of the elbow should be of low amplitude. Note that a single parameter can define a multitude of movement. Next, we draw two samples from the green conditional distribution. While their frequency is similar, there is stochastic variation in their amplitude and phase. Finally, the simulations demonstrate the capacity of the model to produce human-like movements by coordinating the trajectories of all joints. In conclusion, our contribution is a novel approach for adaptive and natural behaviors in actual human-robot interaction. A drawback is that the modulation is limited in the demonstrated region. Future work could focus on learning the interaction for automatic gesture adaptation. Thanks for watching.